Hey guys, so today I'll be doing a 24-hour glow up. So now I'm washing my hair. So now me rinse it with some condition. Scrub, 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 scrub. Yeah, I gotta drain that condition in the hair. Scrub, scrub. My hair done it. Come on. So scrub, 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 scrub. Yeah, girl, I look cool in the eye. Right there, look Indian. Yeah.
Whoa.
Watch it.
Watch girl.
Watch your man. Look a cool.
Watch.
Indian.
Watch Indian shit.
Your man. See the
cool.
man.
Don't you see?
It's like there's something inside if you blind me right there, so.
What?
Still a scrub scrub. Yeah, you. Girl nice. Anytime girl nice.
Yes, people, me look awful. But the sun my melanin I look a bit adjusted.
Guys, this is how my ear will look when time me come it for 3 days.
You saw my ear look? Watch length. You saw 4C ear go on? Watch length and look how ear look. Yeah, but chance I'm showing it. Transformation soon.
You know, say here I go do you know? Here I go do you know? When me hear just say this, you're dead.
Hey!
Look how me look and kill me dead me cute. Girl, you're not ready yet. You don't ready yet. You don't ready yet.
Mom, turn around.
Represent.
Me the halfway in my head, I could wait for get suppose at the seat and stop going my head because me could have better no more. So somebody could tell me say me if I gonna body else go do my hair because you're gonna watch sure. A pity she never knows me want my hair done. Do so me I do my big head and I watch Teen Wolf. But me da feel myself look a bit become like it look from when me want to do bob braids and all know me could do it until now.
People, me I go finish do my ear because watch me look so ghetto. I go finish do my ear because it never get for done. I went home. I think I'm going to put the time and when my hair get to do and when it did finish and everything. I put the time for everything. But she wanna say a long time it take man. I'm not even tall braid or some bobs. Thank you. But no matter how ugly me being less sunny, I always give girl justice.
Due to all the girls still watch Teen Wolf, look how she wipe it in my head. It's like that you just want done my jam. Watch her. It's so she go sloop and just done it.
You okay? Lydia. Don't look.
Madam, I am begging you, take your time with my head. Take your time, oh. What are you doing? Are you going to kill me, oh?
If you want somebody to tell you don't look, you don't look.
Of course, man. Look. Stop.
Yes, people, me for telling the same me I gotta leave our Instagram down in my description. I leave our name and everything. So if you want any braids or any inquiries on the one, you can contact her. So people, me use 1 and 22 for do my ear because you know say my ear black and then you have the root to have different color. So you know the hair got to be trim up because it will juke you. So she's trimming up the hair and I'm the hair being very goofy. People not briefly that this hair just as I mean if I put her in another video, but me still put her in a video because me rude. In the hair, me stubborn. Ask anybody, me stubborn bad.
There's nothing to know because I just.
But people, as you see, it came out wonderfully. I feel so cute. I feel so nice about myself.
There's nothing to
I
know
love my edges for doing this.
Hey guys, as you see, I just said as you see.
Oh my god, my English teacher is supposed to be so upset. If she
Shut the hell up!
So guys, guys, it is obvious that my hair is finished, but mega beard, mega hot water my hair because it hasn't been hot watered yet. So I'm going to hot water my hair. I'm going to take a bath and then mega show the finished look and girl I go. Girl I go. Set up herself. Hey, just took a shower. You're not seeing. Why you look down this so? Why you look down this so? There's nothing. But you're watching now. So guys, this is the finished product. Right, let's start screen. Right, this is the finished product. Thank you for watching. Bye. Please remember to like, subscribe, turn on your post notifications to be notified when I post. And just big up on yourself and love on yourself. I love you all.